Thank you so much. Thank you, Barry. And yeah, we're so grateful and super honored to be going today, November 1st, the beginning of Highwire's new season. Thank you so much, Highwire. So we are Squirrely Bird, and all we need to get started is a suggestion of anything at all. Flapping, flapping, flapping. Okay. Flapping it is. Flapping.
Flooping.
A flooping in your soup.
Sorry, I have a floop in my soup.
Waiter, can you please? I appear to have a floop in my soup.
Waiter, I need your immediate attention. What does this look like to you?
Sir, I do not know what that is. It just looks to me like a tomato.
Looks to me like a tomato.
Looks to me like a potato.
Looks to me like a manano.
Looks to me like my old friend Manino.
Looks to me like my friend Manuel, actually.
That looks exactly like my friend Manuel.
Hey, can you come look at this? Doesn't this look exactly like Lin-Manuel Miranda?
Sir, can you please stop? I just want to show my friends something. Does this person not look exactly like Lin-Manuel Miranda?
Sorry, are you Lin-Manuel Miranda?
Sir, I know who you are. You're from that thing, Schmamilton. You're Lin-Manuel Miranda.
No. I get this all the time. I'm not your guy.
Yeah. No, I know you're just trying to play like you're not my guy, but you're definitely Lin-Manuel Miranda.
Mom, how many times do I have to tell you this is my friend? How can you not remember his name? Lin Miranda.
It would have been a really rough childhood. Okay, and it's Jonathan here, and is Lin Lilanda?
Sorry, is that pronounced Jonathan? Is that?
I think we can start our show.
Like left, and then like a tilt, and then like a and then like an arm up. Are you comfortable like that?
Yeah.
You can stay like this for a few hours?
A few hours?
Yeah, a few hours. They're going to be painting you nude, so you need to find a position that's,
I didn't realize it was going to be a few hours. I thought you said that this was going to be like a short and just a few people.
No. I said I want you to be short, and it's going to be way more than a few people. There's we're expecting, like 50, 60 women.
50 or 60 women, and I'm going to be naked?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Did your agency not break this down?
I'm so sorry, but I had a misunderstanding about I can do this. It's just different than what I thought.
Comfortable.
No, please. I don't want to say no to work. It's not at all what I was expecting.
What were you expecting?
I thought it was just going to be a few people, like 4 or 5 people at a dinner party for just a minute as like a practical joke or something.
Sorry, you get hired to be nude for a practical joke?
That's my thing. I'm short. People think it's funny when a person my height
look like Danny DeVito?
Because I'm about the size of Danny DeVito. People think it's funny when I am naked. So I've done things where I've done some hilarious bits. Like I've run naked right through a bachelorette party, buck naked, and it's funny and it gets a lot of laughs, but it's anonymous because it's fast. This feels like it's going to be so public.
Yeah, and it's not. They're not just drawing your genitals. It's your whole. We're used to our models. It's like a whole face, body.
Are they painting my face in such a way I'll be unrecognizable?
No, it really the goal is to make you look as realistic as possible. It's a life drawing class.
Oh.
You know what, sir? I really don't feel.
No, no, please. I see where you're going. I can see you thinking you're going to hire someone else. I do need this job. I think I can do it.
You think
I
you
think it,
comfortable?
I think what might make me comfortable is if I just get naked in front of you right now and I start to acclimate myself to the discomfort. Like if I work my way through the
I don't
discomfort
know about
with
seeing another
you.
naked man. You know what I mean? I just uh, ugh, you know, it feels a little. I don't. It's cool if you, but I don't.
Wait, so it's okay if I get naked, but you, a fellow male, it's not okay if you get naked, if you see me naked. Is that what you're saying?
I definitely don't want to get naked, to be clear, and I don't want to see you naked. Usually, I just have the woman come in and I leave the room. To be honest, I'm not.
Why don't we both get naked?
No, I
The
don't. That's
women
not.
can come in. I'll feel so much more comfortable if I'm not the only guy, since we're both guys. I'll feel so much more comfortable if there's two guys up here. And then the women can do the life drawing or whatever, and it will be like not as much attention on me.
I really don't mean to be. I don't mean to be, like I'm looking down on you or something, man. I have so much respect for your work, but I'm the CEO of this company. I don't just get nude on the job for no reason.
Okay. You're
Yeah.
important. You don't have a lot of time for shenanigans
It's
and
just
stuff.
that it's just that I chose this career. You know what I mean?
You chose this career. You
Yeah.
chose this career. This was okay. I understand what you're saying. I'll do it.
If you're cool with it.
I'm cool with it.
Right.
You just set the terms.
No, you set the terms. I'm
My
gonna leave the room.
okay.
Cut to the class.
Ladies, come in. Come in. Everyone. Beth, thank you for arriving first. You're on time as you always are. You have your pad out and your drawing tools out. And Beth, as always, you're my best student. Other students, could I call everyone's attention to Beth? Did you notice that Beth is on time? Do you notice that she's already got her materials out? She's even already to start to draw our naked short model, who's to my right. Everyone, I just want to call your attention. She's setting the bar high and I grade on a curve. She's getting an A. What are you getting? Beth?
Sorry. um, sorry, Rain. I don't mean to disrupt. Why is the model doing that?
Why is the model covering his face with his hands like this?
Yes. Are we
Sir, no, Beth, absolutely right. Once again, class, could I call your attention to the fact that Beth is making very astute observations? None of the rest of you are doing that. Beth, you are outstanding. Model, why are your hands in front of your face like this? Please move them. Okay, your hands are shaking. Your hands are shaking. Move your hands. We need to see your face. This is a life drawing. That's artistic. More. That's good. That's good. Okay, what's your name? Wait, no, we didn't. Okay, that's interesting. The important thing, you're still moving. The important thing is that you stick in one position. No, we don't want undulating. Is this a dance? You are dancing. No, this is absolutely, that's it. I'm going to call the CEO of the company that hired you. Yeah. If you're nearby, could you please get in here right away? I need to show you what your model is doing.
Hey, what's up? What's up, Rain?
Oh, you're good. You're still nearby. You didn't get too far away from our studio.
Oh,
Do you see what? Do you see what the model is doing? Could you please?
I'd rather not. I'd rather not, Rain. As you know, I like to leave the room.
You can't leave the room. Your model is undulating.
Rain, I've talked to you many times. I'm not comfortable with the male form.
Listen, I am not going to hire your firm again, of which you are the CEO, unless you go talk to this naked model who is undulating right now.
Oh, God damn it. What are you doing?
I'm
What are you
moving.
doing?
I'm moving.
You don't need, it is a still life drawing. It's a still life drawing. When I said you could do as you wanted, I meant a still pose.
I can't see your eyes.
I don't want to see what you're doing.
I'm undulating. I'm moving. It's just making me feel a lot more comfortable.
You know what? Oh God. Okay. Just stop. Just stop. Just stay still. That's no, you don't. No, just stay still. Stop. What's wrong with you?
I need to do this. There are 40 women looking at me. They can see my face. I need to move like I do through the bachelorette parties. I need to keep it moving.
This isn't a bachelorette party.
Listen, this is all I can do.
You know what? Get out. Get out. I'm the model now. Get out.
Fine.
Suck it, Danny DeVito. All right, Rain.
Yes. What's happening? I've got a class here. These women all paid, and Beth over here has been ready for 5 minutes.
What is your thing with Beth? What's the thing with Beth?
This has really nothing to do with the most outstanding student who has ever been in a life drawing class. This is just about you and me and our work relationship. What is going on?
Well, that guy was a hack. He didn't know what he was hired for. So I'm gonna step in.
Wait, as the CEO of the company, someone who has an aversion to nudity, you're going to actually get naked for the class?
I don't have an aversion to nudity. It's just that I don't like the male form. But you know what? If I don't need to see myself, it's fine.
Okay, go ahead.
I mean, I became CEO because I left that life behind me, but here we are.
Wait a moment. It sounds like there's a whole backstory there.
Oh, there's not.
Okay. Okay, we can leave it for now. I have a feeling it may come back in. Go ahead. Get up.
Do I undress in front of these women?
Yes, you have to just undress in front of these women and then strike a pose and then keep the pose with no undulating.
Okay.
Oh my God. The way you're moving shows that you have a whole background of experience. You are undulating. You are undulating. You are undulating.
I'm not undulating. I'm just swaying.
Wait, that other gentleman is now running back into the room naked, climbing up on the stage next to you. What's happening?
Damn it, I don't want to see him.
I'll do it with you. I'll do it with you.
Wait a second. Did you used to work at Cora's?
You recognize me?
I knew you from somewhere.
Yeah, it's me. Flynn. Flynn Ran Romandel.
Otherwise known as Sparkly Daddy. Do you know who I am?
I do recognize you with that suit and tie and everything. You look totally different. But now that I can see your buff, masculine shoulders, I know exactly who you are. You are Sparkly Skin Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's me, Sparkling Skin Papa. At least that's who I used to be before I became the CEO.
The CEO. You tried to turn a new leaf. That's why you've had so much trouble looking at the male form.
It reminds me of my days. It reminds me of just a year ago when I was Sparkly Skin Papa.
Papa. It's me, Rain. Wait, you two know each other?
No.
You seem to have a rapport.
All right, Rain. We used to dance together at Cora's. At Cora's Skin Palace.
Cut back to Flora's Skin Palace.
Cora's
Skin Palace.
Dance. Go.
Okay, Cora, I got this.
Go.
Cora.
Undulation.
Undulation.
More undulation.
More undulation?
More. The eyes should follow. Yes. Never stop moving.
Never stop moving.
Skin
Gosh.
boy. I love all my skin boys.
Skin boy, that's all I am to you. But Cora, I thought there was more between us.
All there is between us is skin and money. And
Oh my
your movement moving. Go.
Wait a second, Cora. I can't keep flapping my arms like this, like some sort of bird. Don't the customers want to see something more? Don't they want to see who I really am?
Come here. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Why would anyone want to know more? You are but a flapping skin in my eyes. A flapping skin in my eyes. You will never be CEO.
God, you've given me some sort of terrible complex that I'm going to have to spend the whole rest of my life struggling to overcome.
Okay, more moving, less talking.
Just to clarify something, I'm the one who becomes the CEO later, right? Okay.
I don't care who you are.
Just wanted to avoid misunderstandings. I'm flapping my wings, Cora. I'm flapping my wings. I need some sort of stripper name.
Dance, skin flap, man.
Skin flap man? You think that's attractive to the women?
Skin man, sparkly skin man.
Sparkly skin man feels like it's
Sparkly
getting closer.
skin papa. That is an
Sparkly
English
skin
word
papa.
people understand. People will love this. It rolls off the tongue. Sparkling skin
Sparkly
papa.
skin papa. It does roll off the tongue. Feels like that must be my new name. Cut back. My God, what a story, what a life you've had. Sparkly skin papa, and now the CEO of an organization that tries to make nudity into art. Do you see how far you've come?
I like to think that I was always making art, but now I'm paid better. It's a thing.
That's the thing. That's the big difference. But there's more than that. Here, your form is honored. Here, we see through your form to what's inside. Could you tell this man to stop undulating?
Dude, stop doing that.
What? This is how I listen to I'm naked. I got to do something. I got to do something.
You know what, Rain? It's honestly, it's kind of built in by now. I don't think he can stop. I think he's forever going to be skin daddy.
Wait a second. You guys are all judging me, but look at what the student in the front row is doing.
I don't think I'm judging you, just to be clear.
Well, you're kind of judging me. Wait a second. What's happening? Oh my God. Beth, my finest student. This whole time we've been having shallow arguments. She has been working. And what she is working on is a masterpiece. She has learned that a model that is moving and flapping their flesh is the most beautiful of all models. Beth, could you please hold up your drawing to the whole class? Do you see that she has drawn a very complete and complex figure? And Sparkle Daddy call me. I think that's an Andy Warhol type. She's winking, everyone. She's winking, which is part of part of the artistic statement that I think that she's making. Class, all of you should be following Beth's examples. You are all idiots compared to her. cut to the wedding of Beth and Sparkle Skin Daddy.
Hey, thanks for asking me to officiate the wedding between Beth and my customer Beth and my former coworker Sparkle Daddy, also
Sparkle
known
Skin Daddy. Sparkle
Skin
Daddy.
also known.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Wait. What?
What's your real name?
My real name is Flynn. Flynn Land Melanda.
Flynn. Okay, so
Just one thing, boss.
Yeah.
My whole life, people have messed up my name. It's just very important that when you do this ceremony, you get my name exactly right.
Okay.
It's Flynn Land Melanda.
Okay. I got it. I got
Okay.
you. Did you want to put clothes on for this ceremony or no?
No, because Beth sees me, the way she drew me while I was undulating cured all my self-esteem issues.
She's in a full.
She's in a full white dress, but I'm short and all I have on is some body paint and otherwise I'm naked. But that's how I want this to go.
All right. We are gathered here today at the union of Beth and Sparkle Daddy. God damn it.
No, if you don't get my name right, it'll crush my self-esteem and I won't be able to get married.
I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry.
I guess we're gonna have to go back to the club. And that's our show.